back to Learn BC. You're here with Jared and we're talking about BC work tips. That's right, Business Central. How do we speed up our use in the platform? Let's take a look here. This is tip 4 and we're talking about quick entry. So if I go into customers and I look at a customer account, I'm going to click new and click the customer name and just type here new customer code. All right. Now, normally I would go tab, and you tab all the way through the card, and it's going to take you logically through there. But what I have the freedom to do is to personalize, and here I can include or exclude certain fields from quick entry. So I've gone through and removed all of these from quick entry. Okay, so this should be it's excluded, and the salesperson code I'm going to include, but I'm going to exclude block. All right, and I'm going to exclude the ACN. I'm going to go to ABN and I'm going to exclude this. Here we go, and let's take a look at what this looks like. So to get through these, we've typed in the customer name, and all I do is hit enter, and it's taken me to the next field. Enter salesperson code. Enter. I don't have that salesperson code, but anyway, let's just go from salesperson, enter, and I'm down at the ABN, and you just enter. You go through all the fields that are required as you're fielding in. Business Central, quick entry. Take a look. I'll see you in the next video.